Everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page. Today we are going to solve the general formula to form the popular quadratic equation. We call that quadratic equation, when I was in secondary school, we call it almighty formula. Let's begin. First, solution. Let's write this formula again. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now what we are going to do, some people may bring this c to the right side before dividing everything by a. Some people may divide everything by a before, but what we are going to do now is that we are going to get rid of this a. The coefficient of x here must be 1. So to get that result, we are going to divide through by the coefficient of x, which is a. Therefore we have a x to the power of 2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Now let's divide everything by a. We have this divided by a. A cancels a here, and what we have left is x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Now let's bring this c over a to the right side. We have x squared plus b over ax equals, this is plus, and when it comes to the right side, when it crosses the equality sign, it's going to be minus c over a. Do you understand to this stage? Okay, now let's proceed. The next thing we are going to do now is to find half of the coefficient of this x. The coefficient of x here is b over a, and half of it we are going to divide it by 2 and square it. So in that case, we are going to have x squared plus, this is b over ax. We are going to write it b over ax. Now when we divide b over a by 2, we are going to have plus, because we are going to add it to this side, b over 2a. This is b over 2a. This b over 2a is half of b over a. We are going to square it. Square equals minus c over a. What we did to this left side, we are going to do it to the right side as well. Plus b over 2a all squared. Take a pause and assimilate this. Okay, now let's proceed. The next thing we are going to do to simplify the bracket, what we have here. So to do that, we have x squared plus b over ax plus b squared, that's b to the power of 2 over 2 squared, that is 4, a squared, that is a to the power of 2. We have simplified that. equals minus c over a plus the same thing that happens with this side should happen to this side. When we simplify this, we're going to get this as well, so we don't need to bother ourselves on that. Over 4a squared. Having done that, the next thing we are going to do now is to factorize this. When we factorize this, we are going to have, I want to make this video shorter, so I will explain how to do that in my next video. When we factorize this, we are going to have x plus, remember before we have b over 2a, and that's what we are going to have again, all squared. That's the factorized form of this. When we expand it, we are going to get this back. Now we are going to simplify this other side. You can see these addition of fractions. So the LCM of a and 4a squared should be 4a squared. 4a squared. Now we are going to do a trick here, not actually a trick, but so we are going to ask ourselves, how many 4a squared are there in this 4a squared? How many 4a squared are there in this 4a squared? That is 1. 1 times b squared, that is b squared. Do you understand that? So after that, we come to this side. Since we want to solve for this side, so it's going to be minus. This minus is going to be there. How many a are there in 4a squared? That will be 4a. Let me show you here. 4a squared means 4 times a divided by a. A cancels a. So what we have left is 4a. So it's 4a we have left. 4a times c, that is 4ac. Having done that, we can proceed. You can see this right side has a square, and this left side is just a fraction. To get rid of this square, we are going to take square root of both sides. And when we take square root of both sides, it's going to be, let me just do it here. Please take note of this. When we take square root of this side and take square root of this side as well. Yes, this square cancels this square root. So on this side now we have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus. We're going to apply plus or minus because we are taking square root of both sides, so it's going to be plus or minus. What do we have? B squared over b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. The next thing now is to say x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus. Now we are going to isolate this from this square root. We are going to isolate 4a squared from the square root. And how do we arrive at that? How do we get that? We can write it as square root of b squared minus 4ac over square root of 4a squared. And when we do this, we know square cancel square root, and so we can have, let me write it here, we can have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4 over here, square root of 4 is 2. So square root of 4 is 2. We take square root of, so we have 2a. Square root of 4 is 2. This square has cancelled this square, so we have single a. Square root of 4 is 2. Let's proceed. You can see it's getting closer to the almighty formula. Now, what we are going to do is to say x. We can now bring this to, let's use this side. B over 2a, we can bring it to the other side of the equality sign, equals, when it crosses, it is positive here, it's going to be minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. From here now, we can apply, this is fraction, so we can just simplify. And so when we simplify, we are going to have x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. This is our almighty formula. Please, if you're able to make it to the end of this video, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.